Hey guys! For this video, I go to Interlaken, Switzerland with one of my closest friends and favorite college roommate, Annalise. Yay! Yeah, I'm super excited about this vlog in particular because I think it was definitely hands down my favorite trip while abroad. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, I just arrived in Switzerland. I dropped 80 just for a 2-hour train ride, and I was praying that I wouldn't miss my train because, I don't know, I'm really directionally challenged and I couldn't see the signs that were pointing to the train that I was trying to get on. So I'd already dropped 80, so I was like, shoot, if I don't make it, I'm down 80 bucks. So thankfully I made it. I ran around, I asked everyone that I could, and now we're headed to Interlaken.
You were a phonograph, I was a kid. I sat with an ear close, just listening. Was there when the rain tied the way down your face? You were a miracle, eyes just holding your space.
Ooh. Wow.
Well, time has a way of throwing it all in your face. The past is haunted,
gosh, you are so
future is lace. Heartbreak, you know, drives a big black car.
Okay.
Maybe that's just another voice up later.
So
The person I got.
we found an option to paraglide, but it's in 15 minutes where they said to meet by, and it's a 15-minute walk. So we're trying to run there just so we can. Yeah, we just got here literally like 15 minutes ago. So. Whew.
Too long now. This could be all that we know of love and all. Well, you were a dancer and I was a rag. The song in my head was all that I had. Hope was a letter I never could send. Well, love was a
So we actually didn't make it. Started snowing really hard and the wind was really strong, so we just turned around. But it's fine. We allocated not too much for this day originally, right, Annalise? Yes. So instead we're just gonna stop by, get some food, and then maybe we'll reschedule this for another time because the weather was really bad. We're now going to Lidl to get food. I'm starving. So many people, yeah. It's pizza margarita. That does look really good. Oh, right there. Huh. Annalise, look. Look how cute the kitchen is. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome. This is my dinner for the night. Annalise, you want to show off your food?
It's like Indonesian noodles, banh noodles.
We're eating well tonight because food is so expensive, so we're just cooking.
We're maximizing Lidl and the shared kitchen.
It's so pretty here. The kitchen's so nice.
Even with the rain, it's so bright.
So pretty.
It's like
Yeah.
morning.
I'm obsessed.
You got your water bottle, right?
Yeah. Just went upstairs. Wow, it's so pretty. Oh, there's a hammock. It's like a tree house. Oh, no way. This is really nice.
This is so nice.
They have here and then
I know.
so much
Crazy.
What? It's amazing here. I think this is by far my favorite hostel.
This is like an adventure in itself.
Yeah. It's a little chilly, but still really pretty. How big do you think it's gonna be?
Like
Okay.
size. 3 or 4. 3 to 5.
Okay, this is what I think.
Similar, yeah. It's gonna have 2 on top.
We were about right.
Yeah, but I think for this price,
Yeah, it's not that bad. Morning. I just woke up. We went out last night. It was really fun. We met a lot of people, but now it is Saturday morning and it's really early, but we have paragliding, so.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
Smile here, hello.
All decked out, naked. Now we are going to. Where are we going? Where are we going? Not lauterbrunnen.
what?
We're going to harder kulm
Yes.
to hike. We want to go now, but we're just waiting for the bus to come.
And then we will go to Lauterbrunnen Valley and do a little hike around there as well.
All inside our Amsterdam she hides watery eyes that howling when she's waving high.
It has started hailing. I don't know if you guys can see. And we can't really tell how far up we are. The view is amazing. And yeah, it's good so far. I just don't know if it's gonna get more muddy. Hopefully not.
She's got my back. She'll follow me down every street, no matter where I cry.
You need your hand to put your face in.
What?
All inside our Amsterdam she flies, boarding the cars that howling when she'll take everything. She's easy on me.
So we are now headed to lauterbrunnen. We had a really fun day at harder kulm and paragliding. So now we're just gonna do some sightseeing at lauterbrunnen. I think it's known for the waterfall.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's just a
really
cute
cool.
village.
Yeah.
So excited to just walk around and explore a bit.
I just hope it doesn't get too dark by
Yeah, or
then.
too wet.
Because it's 5 and it's raining really hard now. And the sun sets around like 6, 7. We'll see.
I didn't bring my.
Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out. I was not born to drown. Baby, come on. Forget what Father Brennan said. We were not born in sin. Leave a note on your bed. Let your mother know you're safe. And by the time she wakes, we'll have driven through the state. We'll have driven through the night. Baby, come on. If the sun don't shine on me today, and if the subways flood and bridges break, will you lay yourself down and dig your grave, or will you rail against the dying day? And when we looked outside, couldn't even see the sky. How do you pay the rent? Is it your parents, or is it hard work deep, holding the atmosphere?
So I guess we're done in.
Lauterbrunnen.
Oh, yeah, lauterbrunnen. And now we're gonna go head to
Coop.
Coop to get groceries. We're kinda
And get our
hungry.
dinner and then go back to the hostel and rest probably.
Maybe use a hot tub.
Yes. So
Bye. It's so cold outside. Look at our breaths. I don't know if they can see. Try it one more time, Henley's. Oh, you're kidding.
No, I think earlier one, but then
Yeah.
at the first. It looked like I was just breathing at them.
Yeah. Well, now we're going to our best friend, Coop, James, and we're gonna get groceries. Woo! Dinner.
Good morning. We're by Lake Breens now.
I thought this is Lake again.
Okay, I don't know, but we are going to Lake Breens. I know.
We are. But maybe that is.
And we are going to kayak, so we're heading to the kayak school.
So cold. Yes.
And we'll see yourself out later.
Yep. We are super excited. It's very cold. I just want to put the wetsuit on. Yeah. Bye. So I don't have any actual videos from us kayaking, but I do have some pictures. I'll include them here. It was so much fun. I definitely would recommend maybe wear more layers because I was freezing. But yeah. Super cold, but we just finished our kayaking and now we're gonna get lunch because it is 12 p.m.
Egg sandwich
And pasta
salad from Vogue.
After we ate lunch, we met up with one of Annalise's friends from Amsterdam in itselwald. We wanted to see the lake and the infamous crash landing on you site. But it was so cold. The weather was actually so terrible. This is our place for now. Shelter. Yeah, shelter.
The weather's really bad. Oh my gosh, my hair is sticking up and everything. Okay, who wants to go first? We don't have time to watch. Haley, you go first. I'm done. I'm so done.
Our hands are so red. I can't even open and close it. So after the whole ordeal in the snow, we decided we want to relax. So we came back to the hostel, and a group of us actually decided to use their hot tub. It was super nice. We were in there for like 2 hours. I didn't take much videos or pictures because it was raining and snowing, so I left it in the bungalow. But yeah, it was a good night.
Also intense, but pretty much it's like you go through like the whole rush process and sort of say what houses you like, and then they say like whether they think you be friends with people in the house. Yeah, it's like
How many people like go to university there? Like how many names they go through?
okay, so we have how many? There was almost this last year was low. There was only like 800 something girls who went through. Yeah.
Just finished dinner and we are gonna across the hostel to get some ice cream. Even though it's freezing.
Dang! We should fast one. Yeah. Cheers. I got mocha, pistachio. It's so strong, I love it.
It's just funny to eating like ice cream with a cold. I know. Oh, it's nice and toasty.
It's cute. Soft? Last night. Are you sad?
Buster's. Want me to start over?
Even looking back, this makes me really nostalgic. This was just such an amazing trip where I really got to just unplug and enjoy the world around me. And in Switzerland, I just made so many new connections and relationships and friendships at the hostel, while also making so many new memories with my close friend Annalise. And yeah, I think I really just learned to enjoy what the world has to offer. So yeah, thank you, Interlaken. I'll be back.